Hey, what's up guys? I just want to make a quick video on how to install, or not install, but to upload an ISO image to the ESXi 3.5 infrastructure or server. The reason being is when I first got into the ESXi, I came from using VMware Player and VMware Workstation, and so when I select an ISO file, when I create a virtual machine, it's I just select a file that's on my local drive. But when you install the ESXi, you get the server running, you get the client on your desktop, and you connect to the server, but then you don't have any ISO images to select. And when I ran a search on it, the first things I would find are ways via like enabling SSH and using SCP or FTP and some other methods, and the feature's built right in. If you already know this, that's probably where you're going to say this is a no-brainer, but it is something that I had overlooked initially, and when I ran searches, it wasn't this clear, so I just thought I'd make a quick video to show how to do it if you're new to ESXi. First thing was we'll log into it real quick and give it a second here. From the main screen here, you just click on the summary tab. And I think what I was doing wrong originally is when you highlight over data store here, if you click it once, it highlights. If you double click but not fast enough, it changes it like to rename it. So just for consistency purposes, if you do click this fast enough, it will actually open up the data store browser. But and I think that's probably where I kept messing up, because I click on this and I'm like, well, that's not doing anything. So for consistency, I found if you just click on this icon here, even though it doesn't highlight or do anything, I can just double click it and it will bring up the data store browser and not inadvertently rename it. And from here, all I have to do is click on this icon with the up arrow and then choose upload file, and then select the ISO image from my local machine and hit open. And then this warning is just saying if a file that already exists with the same name, if you hit yes, it will overwrite it. So I'll just say yes, and then it starts the upload process. Now this is slower than Samba or Windows file sharing. This is a little over 4 gig file, and if I recall, it took about 25 to 30 minutes or so. So it's not the fastest in the world, especially being in a LAN environment, but it gets the files there, and then you can create your virtual machine and select the ISO image from the data store and be good to go. So hopefully this saves you some time, and thanks for watching.